Hi, I'm Jack. I'm a social scientist at Ulster University, and my research focuses on the social power of language. Before the training by Laura and Duncan, I think I always followed the traditional constrained story structure of beginning, middle, and end when giving research presentations. But they open my eyes to new, engaging, and creative ways of telling a story and of integrating creative graphics into the presentations that I'm giving. An instance of this is when I was giving a public facing research talk on mansplaining at the ESRC Festival of Social Sciences last year. Here, along with collaborators from the CARDS research group at Ulster University, we put together this really neat video which had the graphics that they taught us how to design and come up with. We ended up being the most viewed video at the entire event, and I've received a bunch of comments on Twitter saying how great my subsequent slides have been, how great the presentations I give have been. That's been really rewarding.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Leslie Ann Gunton and I am a lecturer in Human Resource Management at Northumbria University. I recently attended the How to Make the World Give a Crap session, which helped academics think about how they communicate their research. This was incredibly valuable to me because I want to make sure that my research has an impact. And the benefits of this session were that it gave me the tools to utilise on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So examples such as effective storytelling, the use of visuals, and body language. I wouldn't hesitate for a moment in recommending this session to anyone. Thank you.
I'm Julie Marie Strange. I'm a historian of working class culture based at Durham History Department. I learned so much from the Make Them Care course. Firstly, that less is more. When you streamline and simplify, it makes your research far more accessible. Secondly, I learned that it's okay to have fun with presentations. No matter how serious my research might be, if I enjoy putting it together and communicating it, I just communicate that I believe in my research, and people are much more likely to come with me and get invested too. Key differences it's made to how I do presentations. Verbally, I look for the story hook that will draw people in and keep them with me. Visually, I created a brand for my PowerPoints, one colour, one key image or icon. The feedback has been tremendous. People want to participate in a project, they want to volunteer, invitations to collaborate, requests for more information, tangible, measurable impact. I'm evangelical about this course. I share everything I learned with my PhD students, with people I mentor. Can't praise it enough. The biggest personal benefit, it gave me permission to be creative and to enjoy academic presentations. Thank you so much.